In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a guest post on Substack. Let's get started by heading to the Substack website. Once you're there, look for the sign-in option at the top of the page. Click it, then enter your email address to access your account. Substack typically keeps sign-in simple, so just follow the on-screen prompts until you're in. Make sure you're logged into the publication where you plan to feature your guest, so the post ends up in the right place. From your account, open your dashboard. This is your control center for everything you publish. Inside the dashboard, go to the Posts section. Here you can view what you've already published, drafts you're working on, and anything you've scheduled. To add a guest piece, you can either start a brand new article or open an existing draft if you've already prepared a spot for it. Choose whichever fits your workflow. In the editor, paste the content your guest has provided. Substack doesn't have a built-in guest post feature, so this copy and paste approach is the standard way to publish a contribution. Take a moment to format the text so it matches your publication style. Use headings to break up long sections, add italics or bold for emphasis where appropriate. And insert links or images your guest included, making sure you have permission to use any visuals. This is also the perfect place to add a brief introduction or bio for your guest. A sentence or two about who they are and why they're writing adds context and credibility, and it helps your readers understand why this voice is appearing on your publication. When the post looks good, continue to the next screen to prepare it for publishing. This is your chance to do a final review. Check the title, confirm any images are displaying correctly, and make sure your intro or bio is clear and error-free. Now choose Publish Now to make the guest post live. On this screen, you may see options related to notifications. In this walkthrough, we won't send email alerts to subscribers, so proceed without enabling them. You'll also see the option to publish without buttons. Select that if you want a clean, quiet publish without extra prompts or calls to action attached to the post. This keeps the focus entirely on your guest content. That's it. You've successfully created a guest post on Substack by bringing your guest's writing into your editor, formatting it to match your style, and publishing it without notifications or extra buttons. If you want, you can always come back later to update the post, add images, or share it with your audience on your own schedule.